Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided I'm going to try to do a rod set. Now this is my first one since I've had Locs, and I've done rods like here and there, like in my bang area, but I've never tried to do the whole head. And the last time I curled my hair, I did it with pipe cleaner. So if you're interested, I do have a video where I use pipe cleaner. So I'm going to try it and see how this is going to go, because with rods you have to let them sit, or you have to be willing to sit under the dryer, and I'm just going to leave them in all day and all night, and hopefully tomorrow they should be set really well, and I hope that it holds. Hopefully throughout the weekend is what I'm hoping, but we'll see. So I have 3 different sizes. I have the white one, I have the gray one, and I also have this pink one here. So those are the 3 I'm going to use to curl my locks. Now I just washed my hair and it is pretty wet right now. So I just shampooed and conditioned my hair. So I don't think I need anything else but just to go in and start curling. So I believe I'm just gonna go ahead and go in and start adding the rods, and let's see how this goes. Okay, so I'm finally towards the front, and I ran out of the other rollers, so I'm on these purple ones here. They're a little bit bigger, so I hope the curl still comes out pretty good. And I just try to make sure I focus wrapping the ends of my lock onto the roller before I go all the way down the barrel of the roller, because what you don't want is the end of your locks to not be curled. So I try to do that. I feel like these are a bit smaller up here in the front. They're not as thick as the ones in the back. So I think I'm gonna add 3 to this one. And I just been doing about 1 to 2 locks per roller is what I've been doing. Okay. So now I'm just gonna go back through and make sure the ends are down so they're not sticking out of the rollers. I feel like these purple rollers are looser than the other rollers that I have. They're not really as tight, which is not good. So I'm trying to make sure I roll these really good. I think that's it. So I'm actually going to leave these in overnight. I don't plan to sit under the dryer. The only way I'm going to sit under the dryer is if I feel like they're not completely dry by tomorrow. So I'm going to leave them in and we'll see how the results go tomorrow. So it's now the next day and I'm about to take down the scarf to see what's going on with my rod set. I'm not sure how this is going to go. I did sit under the dryer last night before I went to bed. I want to say I sat under the dryer for 10 minutes or so. It wasn't that long because it did still feel kind of damp, so I didn't want to go to bed with wet hair, so I did dry it with the dryer. And I used my bonnet dryer to do that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start removing them and we see what we got. That one just too bad. The only thing is my hair is still short, so I'm thinking it's probably going to give me a cute little shortcut look. I really didn't think about that. I probably should have went smaller with the rollers too, but we'll see what we get. It actually came out better than I expected. I'm not gonna lie to you. The only thing is, like these here, like I said, you have to be careful with your ends. Make sure they are wrapped around so they don't give you that blunt look. So that's the only thing with this one, but I can just tuck that in. But it actually came out really cute. Alright, so I've done a bit of styling. I decided to pin up the sides and I did lay down my edges. So this is how it's looking right now. So I do love the way it came out. I definitely feel it gives, a dressier look to your locks, especially for Valentine's Day that's coming up, or like a special event you need it to, or something at work that you need it to look really nice or put together with your locks. So I feel like this is definitely very versatile because of course the curls would fall and eventually styling would be able to get easier and you could do different things. So I hope you all enjoyed this video and I thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye guys.